guys, it's Jonathan for South Carolina Board Game Couple. I recently just got a package in the mail from one of the Kickstarters I backed a long time ago. I already know what it is, but let's open it up and show you guys. Alright. So, packing peanuts, player mats, little add-on I did, 4 of them. They come in packages of 4, which is great. And Empire's End, brand new auction game by Clair and Brother Russ. So here's the actual unboxing. Cool little cover, has UV spots. Rule book, some tokens. Let's go ahead and open those up. This is the deluxe edition. However, I did not go the extra one. These are punchboard, but if you can see, they do have a nice little shine to them. They're quite a bit thicker than normal punchboard. Pull that out. It's a little bit thicker than a normal punchboard would be. This does have a black magic insert. So there's little meeples. Let's open that up for you. These are the wooden tokens. These are the upgraded versions. They're made of wood. Okay, there's that. More storage to hold your components. Always nice. The board, I believe this is the 2-player. I don't know if you can see it that way. That's the 2-player side, and then there is a 3 to 4-player side. So depending on how many player count you have, it's a different game. This is a little screen, 4 screens. You can hide what you're doing behind it. Also, it has a little cheat sheet. It has your economy phase, it has your industry phase, disaster phase. It kind of has a little cheat sheet. These are really cool. These are the, looks like the borders to the actual map, which is right there. Then you have these cards. Open these up real quick. That's how you win, victory points, upheaval. Cool little cards there. Like I said, black magic insert. Upgraded to the wood. And last but not least, your decks. Each deck has the same amount of cards for 4 players. And that's it. What the mat looks like. So it's a neoprene mat. It shows you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 slots. And that's your phases. Now watch me rebox it. Alright, I'm going to cheat a little bit because I'm going to leave those cards already in there. But you have the wooden meeples, cards, disaster cards.